Put on. She is putting on shoes. She is putting on shoes. Wear. She is wearing shoes. She is wearing shoes. Try on. The man is trying on shoes. The man is trying on shoes. Take off. The woman is taking off her shoes. The woman is taking off her shoes. Remove. He's removing his jacket. He's removing his jacket. Reach for. She's reaching for an item on the shelf. She's reaching for an item on the shelf. Reach into. The woman is reaching into her bag. The woman is reaching into her bag. Point at. The customers are pointing at a television. The customers are pointing at a television. Point towards. A woman is pointing towards the sky. A woman is pointing towards the sky. Bend over. The man is bending over. The man is bending over. Kneel. They are kneeling on the ground. They are kneeling on the ground. Rest. He's resting on a bench. He's resting on a bench. Sample. The chef is sampling some food. The chef is sampling some food. Sip. She's sipping her drink. She's sipping her drink. Turn on. Turn off. A light is being turned off. A light is being turned off. Plug. Unplug. The woman is plugging in some equipment. The woman is plugging in some equipment. Attend. Many people are attending the meeting. Many people are attending the meeting. Unattended. The workstation is unattended. The workstation is unattended. Pour. Some coffee is being poured. Some coffee is being poured. Fill up. The woman is filling up her bottle. The woman is filling up her bottle. Pack. The man is packing a suitcase. The man is packing a suitcase. Unpack. She is unpacking her delivery. She is unpacking her delivery. Answer. She is answering the phone. She is answering the phone. Type. The woman is typing on a laptop. The woman is typing on a laptop. Hand out. Brochures are being handed out. Brochures are being handed out. Distribute. The waiter is distributing menus. The waiter is distributing menus. Serve. Food is being served. Food is being served. Deliver. The man is delivering a bag. The man is delivering a bag. Handle. He is handling a power drill. He is handling a power drill. Hold. She's holding a cup in both hands. She's holding a cup in both hands. Exchange. They are exchanging business cards. They are exchanging business cards. Chop. Fresh vegetables are being chopped. Fresh vegetables are being chopped. Sew. She's sewing a garment. She's sewing a garment. Put up. They are putting up a poster. They are putting up a poster. Post. A sign is being posted. A sign is being posted. Pull. The woman is pulling a suitcase. The woman is pulling a suitcase. Tow. They're towing some boxes. They're towing some boxes. Drag. She's dragging her bag to the car. She's dragging her bag to the car. Push. The customer is pushing a shopping cart. The customer is pushing a shopping cart. Push up. She is pushing up her sleeve. She is pushing up her sleeve. Look down. Everyone is looking down at something. Everyone is looking down at something. Look up. They're looking up at a screen. They're looking up at a screen. Look out. She's looking out a window. She's looking out a window. Browse. Some people are browsing. Some people are browsing. Gaze. The woman is gazing at some art. The woman is gazing at some art. Glance. A man is glancing at someone else's laptop. A man is glancing at someone else's laptop. Overlook. The lighthouse overlooks the ocean. The lighthouse overlooks the ocean. Face. They're facing each other. They're facing each other. Face. The chairs are facing the water. The chairs are facing the water. Study. They are studying some drawings. They are studying some drawings. Examine. The customer is examining a shoe. The customer is examining a shoe. Inspect. He's inspecting a suitcase. He's inspecting a suitcase. Greet. The men are greeting each other. The men are greeting each other. Shake hands. They're shaking hands. They're shaking hands. Applaud. Everyone is applauding the speaker. Everyone is applauding the speaker. Clean. She is cleaning the floor. She is cleaning the floor. Sweep. The woman is sweeping the ground. The woman is sweeping the ground. Mop. A woman is mopping the floor. A woman is mopping the floor. Rake. Leaves are being raked. Leaves are being raked. Wipe. He's wiping a window. He's wiping a window. Polish. The woman is polishing the glass. The woman is polishing the glass. Dust. She's dusting items on a shelf. She's dusting items on a shelf. Tidy. Tidy up. A woman is tidying up. A woman is tidying up. Organize. The woman is organizing her shelf. The woman is organizing her shelf. File. She is filing some documents. She is filing some documents. Seal. She's sealing an envelope. She's sealing an envelope. Fold. Some paper is being folded. Some paper is being folded. Tie. She's tying her hair back. She's tying her hair back. Comb. The woman is combing her hair. The woman is combing her hair. Fasten. A seatbelt is being fastened. A seatbelt is being fastened. Tighten. The man is tightening his belt. The man is tightening his belt. Adjust. She is adjusting some equipment. She is adjusting some equipment. Change. The man is changing a light bulb. The man is changing a light bulb. Replace. She's replacing a light bulb. She's replacing a light bulb. Decorate. They're decorating their living room. They're decorating their living room. Set up. She's setting up a parasol. She's setting up a parasol. Empty. A trash can is being emptied. A trash can is being emptied. Discard. Some food is being discarded. Some food is being discarded. Put away. A woman is putting away some papers. A woman is putting away some papers. Erase. He's erasing words on a whiteboard. He's erasing words on a whiteboard. Trim. He is trimming a bush. He is trimming a bush. Mow. He's mowing the lawn. He's mowing the lawn. Water. A man is watering a plant. A man is watering a plant. Grow. Some plants are growing in a garden. Some plants are growing in a garden. Plant. A row of trees has been planted alongside a fence. A row of trees has been planted alongside a fence. Arrange. Chairs have been arranged in rows. Chairs have been arranged in rows. Arrange. The waiter is arranging utensils. The waiter is arranging utensils. Seat. They are seated across from each other. They are seated across from each other. Place. Some potted plants have been placed in a row. Some potted plants have been placed in a row. Locate. The sofa is located in the center of the room. The sofa is located in the center of the room. Position. A staircase has been positioned next to an airplane. A staircase has been positioned next to an airplane. Display. Many shoes are displayed on the shelves. Many shoes are displayed on the shelves. Hang. A large clock has been hung on the wall. A light is hanging over the table. A large clock has been hung on the wall. A light is hanging over the table. Suspend. Lights are suspended from the ceiling. Lights are suspended from the ceiling. Cover. Leaves are covering a car. Leaves are covering a car. Scatter. Garbage has been scattered on the ground. Garbage has been scattered on the ground. Occupy. All of the seats have been occupied. All of the seats have been occupied. Unoccupied. Most of the seats are unoccupied. Most of the seats are unoccupied. Extend. An awning extends in front of the shop. An awning extends in front of the shop. Extend it up. The woman has her arm extended up. The woman has her arm extended up. Lay out. They are laying out rugs. They are laying out rugs. Slant. The sign is slanting. The sign is slanting. Lean against. The woman is leaning against a column. The woman is leaning against a column. Prop up against. A bicycle has been propped up against a tree. A bicycle has been propped up against a tree. Prop open. A rock is propping open the door. A rock is propping open the door. Roll up. A rug is being rolled up. A rug is being rolled up. Coil. Rope has been coiled around a tree. Rope has been coiled around a tree. Wrap around. A hose has been wrapped around some concrete. A hose has been wrapped around some concrete. Lie. A ladder is lying on the ground. A ladder is lying on the ground. Balance. The boxes are balancing on each other. The boxes are balancing on each other. Reflect. A tree is reflecting on the water. A tree is reflecting on the water. Cast. Trees are casting shadows on the ground. Trees are casting shadows on the ground. Shade. The bench is shaded by a large tree. The bench is shaded by a large tree. Park. Cars have been parked in the garage. Cars have been parked in the garage. Dock. A boat has been docked next to a pier. A boat has been docked next to a pier. Repair. The man is repairing a refrigerator. The man is repairing a refrigerator. Fix. He's fixing a pipe. He's fixing a pipe. Mount. They're mounting a television on a wall. They're mounting a television on a wall. Assemble. A man is assembling some furniture. A man is assembling some furniture. Install. He is installing some shelves. He is installing some shelves. Attach. She's attaching a note to the bulletin board. She's attaching a note to the bulletin board. Build. The man is building a fence. The man is building a fence. Dig. A woman is digging with a shovel. A woman is digging with a shovel. Pave. The ground is being paved with bricks. The ground is being paved with bricks. Take measurement. He is taking a measurement of his washing machine. He is taking a measurement of his washing machine. Weigh. The woman is weighing some apples. The woman is weighing some apples. Operate. A man is operating some machinery. A man is operating some machinery. Secure. The building has been secured against earthquakes. The building has been secured against earthquakes. Stock. She is stocking the supermarket shelves. She is stocking the supermarket shelves. Stack. He's stacking boxes. He's stacking boxes. Pile. Clothes have been piled on the floor. Clothes have been piled on the floor. Store. Many documents are being stored on the shelves. Many documents are being stored on the shelves. Load. Wood is being loaded into a wheelbarrow. Wood is being loaded into a wheelbarrow. Carry. The woman is carrying a box. The woman is carrying a box. Move. They are moving a couch. They are moving a couch. Lift. He's lifting a box. He's lifting a box. Transport. Wood is being transported on a truck. Wood is being transported on a truck. Wheel. A man is wheeling a cart. A man is wheeling a cart. Pick up. He is picking up some books. He is picking up some books. Lock. Lock up. She's locking her bicycle up. She's locking her bicycle up. Lead. The stairs lead to the airplane door. The stairs lead to the airplane door. Support. The ceiling is being supported by columns. The ceiling is being supported by columns. Surround. Water surrounds the lighthouse. Water surrounds the lighthouse. Walk up. Walk down. The men are walking up the stairs. The woman is walking down the stairs. The men are walking up the stairs. The woman is walking down the stairs. Walk by. People are walking by the trash cans. People are walking by the trash cans. Walk side by side. They are walking side by side. They are walking side by side. Walk through. A woman is walking through the door. A woman is walking through the door. Pass through. The man is passing through a door. The man is passing through a door. Stand by. The woman is standing by a shelf. The woman is standing by a shelf. Take a stroll. Stroll. He's taking a stroll along the beach. He's strolling along the beach. He's taking a stroll along the beach. He's strolling along the beach. Enter. People are entering the room. People are entering the room. Exit. She's exiting the building. She's exiting the building. Climb. She is climbing some stairs. She is climbing some stairs. Cross. They're crossing a bridge. They're crossing a bridge. Cross. The boat is crossing a bridge. The boat is crossing a bridge. Board. People are boarding a bus. People are boarding a bus. Line up. They are lined up for a bus. They are lined up for a bus. Gather. They are gathering at a counter. They are gathering at a counter. Head. A woman is heading towards a building. A woman is heading towards a building. Circle. Some birds are circling above the water. Some birds are circling above the water.
Thanks for watching!